Hi, welcome to channel KK Art Universe. Today I'm gonna create banana plant stem holder. Let's go. Take a cardboard, a wood sheet, cover it. Paste it like this. Cover all edges. Now take unique paint marker. Now draw simple column. Do it all corner. Now base is ready. Now take a cardboard tube or cardboard roll. Take a design cloth, uncover it fully. Like this. For decoration I am using pearl. Paste it like this. And then small mirror, round shape. Now outer portion is ready. Now take a thermocol and a bamboo stick. You can either use a big needle like this. Now place one by one base. And then roll it. Now you can insert banana stem over there. Thank you for watching KK Art Universe. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me for regular artwork.